This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Silberer. Location, location, location. This 3-bedroom ranch home located in the southeast part of Macomb has an open floor plan and everything on one level. The living room is open to the family/dining area with fireplace, kitchen also open to the family area. Attached oversized 1-car garage, 3 nice-sized bedrooms share a large full bath with laundry, lots of closet space and great yard. For more information, review the details below.